Sometimes you feel this is like a product of randomness, like a pure result of luck. Like, when I created this character, it felt to me like I just sat down and I created it. I just simply drew some lines. I was just willing to practice my workflow, my line drawing skills, my sketching skills, and it just happened, And yes, I did have this, this idea a few minutes before I sat down to sketch all of that. But it eventually felt like it was just a product of luck. Like it was just so simple, so easy. However, I've just realized that what I've actually been doing has been to prepare all this story in the back of my mind that has been playing constantly, and all these ideas have been dancing all together on the back of my mind, on my subconscious. And that's when I understood that that's what created this, not like I just sat down and this happened, like without any reference, without any prior idea, without any plan. No. It doesn't work that way. That's just a manifestation of, like, it's basically a window into the world that I've been creating in my mind for so long. That character, I know that character. I've been thinking about that character for a long time. I guess I never happened to give it a try, to design it, to bring him to life through a painting, through a drawing. So, yeah, since I never tried to materialize that in any tangible medium, now it feels like it came out so easily. Like, how can you just sit down and draw something like that? I'm extremely proud of the result. I'm extremely happy about the result because I'm really excited about this character. Because I know this character. I know what the backstory is. I know what I want to do with him. And that inevitably gets me so excited. So, yeah, I just felt like sharing some words with you guys about whenever you feel like, was this a product of luck, or am I truly skilled? Am I truly good at this, or was it just like a coincidence? Like, yeah, I did it like that for now, but I don't think I can do this again, like this good. Every time you think that about yourself, about whatever you do, especially if it's something that you admire, something that you're passionate about, something that you love doing, think twice. Reflect upon that thought. Just dive deep within yourself and try to understand where that is coming from. Read between the lines, guys. It's so easy to discredit yourself over something like that. I just did it. But fortunately, I was mindful enough, to, and curious enough as well, to dive deep within myself and understand where that comes from. And then I realized, oh, wait a minute. This is not a product of luck. I've been actually working on this for so long. You know, this is the ultimate result of all that effort. So, yeah. I hope I can show you guys more about this really soon. I have so many other concepts that I'd like to bring alive. So, yeah, I'll show you guys more in the next episodes. Until then, stay creative. Remind yourself to enjoy your time and have a good one. Bye bye, guys.